Hi mga loves! We are on our way to an event, relaunch and reopening ng isang hotel. Hi guys!
Alam, nandito pala si Alvin Patrimonio. Hello, Alvin!
Ang dami palang artist tayo.
Pero pakita! Mario Rivera!
Love, we are on our way to an event, relaunch and reopening ng isang hotel.
Hello!
Makita nyo yan.
Headband!
And we are very excited and very blessed na na-invite kami sa relaunch na ito. So, mamaya makita nyo yung mga bagong pakulo ng hotel na ito. So, see you!
Pero yung mga vloggers mo nasa
Nasa ano na?
lower deck po.
Oh, we've got this! Hi, Boy Pilas!
Mga love, nandito na kami sa Jade Hotel. Ayan, eto siya. Diba? And then, we got a very tiny souvenir from Jade Hotel. Mamaya bubuksan natin kung anong laman yan. And ngayon, si Boy Pilas kakatapos lang niya sa kanyang event. Ay pupunta sila ni Kungkung sa ibang event. Dahil hindi pwede si Kungkung sa hotel na to dahil bata pa siya. Okay, so see you later. So this hotel, mga loves, ay may elevator. So, meron din siyang stairs. If you want or if you feel like having your exercise, you can use the stairs. Or you can use the elevator, whichever is more comfortable for you. So, basically mga loves, ito yung mga rooms ng Jade Hotel. Meron tayong Premier, Ambassador, meron tayong Deluxe Twin, at Executive Room. Tutur namin kayo sa mga rooms, mga loves. So, let's go and join me para makita natin kung ano yung mga rooms nila. Come on, let's go! Come on!
Ito yung Premier Suite. Ito yung 2399.
Ah, Premier Suite. Sige, tingnan natin. Wow! So, eto pala mga loves. So, this is the room. This is their cabinet. Ayan. Okay, meron silang maliit na ref. Social ha, in fairness. And may TV. Ito kanilang CR with sliding doors.
kanilang executive. Okay. Ito yung executive room, kuya.
Twin.
Twin room.
Deluxe.
Ah, okay. Wow. Deluxe lang.
Double.
Ah, so isang bed. Ambassador.
Before for the partition.
Ah, okay. Ah, so dalawang bed din. Ba't magkaiba? Wow! So nice! So, nandito tayo sa upper deck ng Jade Hotel, mga loves. And as you can see, ang ganda ng, ang ganda ng view. And nandito yung kanilang pool. Mamaya pakakita natin up close. Pero dito, pwede kayong mag-muni-muni, pwede kayong mag-break, ganon. Maganda yung hangin. magpaparelax kayo, kung gusto nyo talagang mag-enjoy, mag-chill lang, mag-wine. So, dito sa kanilang lounge bar with the pool, it is the best place to be. So, di ba? Amazing! Grabe mga loves, ito talaga napakaganda. Saka ang view talaga, as in, hindi mo So let's take a look at their restaurant, mga loves. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Yan ang mga magaganda at gwapong member ng YTV.
Yes!
Oh.
So ito yung mga couples group.
Ay, ang gaganda niyo! Oh my gosh!
Thank you!
May nakaupo ba dito? Okay. Thank you so much, girls. Hi! Ayun, nandun na sila. Nakakaloka ng init. So, let's drink Coca-Cola. Not sponsored! Para tayo! Tingin tayo! Ay, hindi! Kasi may ano sa'yo! EO5! Bongga! Hi! Can you please state your name and your channel?
My name is David Mark Bourbon. Please subscribe to my channel, guys.
Yes, subscribe, guys! And this is your lovely...
Why?
Wow!
Joanne.
My forever! Hi, Tia!
Sai and John.
Sai and John, and the channel is...
Just search for Simon Destin.
Ah, okay.
S-A-I.
Oh, Sai. Very good. Ano nga ba yung channel mo, ate? Maria Agnes. Maria Agnes! Hello! Hi! What's your name?
Check out our channel, Man Batasar.
Yes, subscribe guys. I'm Bubu Chang. Hello, Tita. What's your name and what's your channel?
I'm Ses and my channel is Wife Necessities.
Oh, hi Sis. Wife Necessities. Hi, hello.
Channel ko is about
Glad to see you. Mga pampering.
lifestyle,
Yes.
travel vlog.
Yes. Omni. Of course, Omni and Bryce.
And Omni and Bryce po, family vlog. Subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Makakita ng nakita ng aming mga anak.
Correct. And thank you so much for inviting us here.
Thank you po.
Hi. Yes. Ito, may bumalik. May bumalik. Hello. What's your name and what's your channel?
I don't have channel, ma'am.
Okay. Si husband pala ito. Hindi ko nakilala.
We also have a travel channel. It's Practice World.
Okay. Hindi ko nakilala yung mukha niya. Later.
May kulay pa. Yan.
Bigyan yung tubig, baka na.
Tawa ko.
Kami.
Sige pa. May spark. Baka static lang. Okay, so Ate Omni, where are we going next?
We're going to
Cuba. So maganda doon, nakita ko kanina.
Yes.
So mag-test na lang tayo.
Oo. Sponsor down lang.
Yep.
We're close to where the party is.
Char. Let's go. Mga loves, nandito pala si Alvin Patrimonio. Hello, Alvin! Uy, hindi yan yan! Yung asawa ni Julian! Ano? Kaya ng ganyan, naging video.
Ang dami palang artista.
Pero kaya! Mario Rivera! So meron silang ano dito. Hi, Dave! Okay ba? Ang ganda dito, no? Ang ganda ng view. Hi, Ate Sis! Hello! Bubu Chang's World. So mga lads, grabe, ang dami na palang tao dito ngayon and super duper, ang daming tao, naging blue ang mukha ko parang avatar. Pero nag-enjoy sila. Bloopers!
Thank you for coming. And ayun, so nakita niyo yung Enzo's, Rafa's, and Chloe. And
Yes.
guys, try nyo kami.
Yes. Approve.
Mag-enjoy kayo.
Thank you so much for having us.
So, living beyond expectation.
Yes.
Alright. So guys, try nyo kami. Promise. Living beyond expectation.
Yay, thank you.
Thank you.
So, mga love, it's time for me to go na. So, I need to make paalam na sa ating mga nag-invite. So, papaalam mo na ako. I'm so happy that I'm here and so happy that I'm invited today. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, yes. Ano ba? Anong meron? So guys, I think I'm next. I'm next to go. Yeah. So bye-bye na next time ulit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, thank you guys. I will subscribe to all of your channels and like, yeah, yung book mo, I will check. Fully book.
Notification
Yeah. Bye ulit. Bye guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today dito sa Jade Hotel. And we had a lot of fun. And napakasakulog nila. Very affordable. Ang mga rates nila. So, just lalagay ko lang sa description box below yung mga rates and yung address ng hotel. So, thank you so much for having us, Jade Hotel, and sana sa ulitin. So, finally, mga loves, nakauwi na kami with Boy Pilas at may surprise si Boy Pilas sa akin.
Donuts at home?
Yeah. So, yan ang dahilan kung bakit hindi nakasama si Kukong dahil sobrang napaka-noisy. So, yun. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagsubaybay ng vlog namin. So, we're gonna go home ng mga loves dahil umuulan na siya. And thank you so much, Boy, for being my husband. And for very understanding. So, thank you so much mga love. See you again next time.
Bye-bye, Nanay. Goodbye, people.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Goodbye, camera.
Love you. Bye.